some meat. I make this quick dinner. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna put the meat in. Some it's already seasoned up guys with some Maggi season and some little splash. And then I'm gonna add some green seasoning. Okay guys, so let's check on the beef. Okay guys, so now the beef is cooking, starting to change color from pink to gray. I'm gonna let this beef for a good while guys, because I like my beef well done. Even though I don't eat it, but my kids eat it from my husband, so I'm gonna let it cook very well before I do that. So guys, I'm gonna skim off the oil. I always skim off some of the oil.